Hi everyone, my name is Darren and my name is Fidget. Welcome to our new Origami channel. Origami is the Japanese art of folding paper. So what do we need for that? We need origami paper. Origami paper is a thin square piece of paper which is colored on one side and white on the other side. So what are we making today? We're making a blue whale. Wow! Let's go to our secret hideout. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to my secret hideout. So before we start on the whale, I'm going to show you two easy folds. And the first thing you do for that is fold the paper in half and press down on the crease. And the first one's called the valley fold. It's called a valley fold because it looks like a V. And V is for valley fold. And this is called a mountain fold because it looks like a mountain. So let's get started. Flip the paper over. Match corners together to make a valley fold. And then press down on the crease. Unfold the paper to show a mountain fold. Fold down the top corner. Do the same on the opposite corner. Valley fold the corner. Do the same on the opposite corner. Mountain fold this corner. Mountain fold the paper in half. Mountain fold the corner into the back side to make the tail. Draw a whale smile and draw its two eyes. Fidget, did you learn how to make a blue whale? Yes, it was so much fun and so easy. And also, did you know that the blue whale is the largest animal on Earth? No, I never knew that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more origami videos.